Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's EpicTourzZ, where it's all about fun, food, travel, and being able to work remotely. Montego Bay Kart World, yeah. So this is my first time here. It actually wasn't so bad. Let's not watch the video of the fact that I got overlapped. What do you call it? No, yeah, but it wasn't so bad. And honestly, I think it's good. It seems to be fairly new. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you're in Montego Bay, you should check it out. And remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, everything. You guys know the drill.
No, is it, you know? You have to keep it on. Yeah.
My legs are so long though.
Yeah, it's the right way because the foot can catch a brake and a gas. So take your time when as soon as I reach a corner.
You're not telling me the instructions. You're not telling me to see one.
Yeah.
Young one.
No, make it two of them. Let me two of them leave one time. Yeah. You that tell the gas, we press, and the next one on the brake. Green. Penetrate on the brake mostly, yeah?
You can grow and line up.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, good evening.